Today, in the season of creation, we are going to consider Sister Dorothy Stang, who died as a martyr for the rainforest. Sister Dorothy began ministry as a school teacher, but circumstances led her to live and minister in the rainforest of Brazil. Sister's work was deeply resented by the commercial interests who were engaged in depleting the land and abusing the native people, for whom she served as an advocate. She was ambushed on a rainforest trail on her way to a meeting, and there she was shot and killed. Sister Dorothy had written, "I don't want to flee, nor do I want to abandon the battle of these farmers who live without any protection in the forest. They have the sacrosanct right to aspire to a better life on land where they can live and work with dignity while respecting the environment." Here are the credits for this short video. Sister Dorothy, pray for us that we may realize the value of the created world which we are called to care for.